What's up, guys? It's Best Gamer 54, and I'm playing Floppy Bird. Not Floppy. There's that guy to lead of the App Store. So dumb. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna see what my best is when I fail. My best is 8. Yeah. I'm pretty good at it. Let me turn it up so I can hear it. So yeah, let me know what your high score is, and don't be lying. I know when some people are lying. High score. Got 3. And then, and the worst thing about Floppy Bird is all these ads. So annoying. Here we go. Took me a while to get 8. Only 1. Dang it! Only 2. One. Only 1. One again. Dang it. Alright, let's go again. No! Only got 3. Dang it. And if you don't hear my dog, you should him. Hi, Zeus. Alright, let's go back. Okay. Yeah, I heard Flappy Bird got deleted off the App Store because this guy couldn't take it anymore, yeah. And he deleted it. But if you still have it, just keep it. Don't just delete it, then it's gone forever. Dang it! Don't judge me. Stupid! No! I got 4. Alright. I'm gonna play something else. This tiring. Let's see what game I'll play. Let's play Swing Captures. This is the new, it's the same guy that created, Flappy Bird. Doesn't say it, but it might say it when you download it. This is the most hardest game. My best is 0. I can't even get any. I wish I got any in this. Come on, bring it on, bring it on. No, no! I hit the hammer. Dang it. Can I at least get 1? Oh god. Oh no. I wasn't ready. Why did I tap it? Boop, 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 boop. No! Oh, why did it turn? If I didn't turn, I would have made it. I think. Come on. Bring on. Bring on. Yes! I finally got 1. Yeah! Boom. That's how you do it. Just got timer right and just go for it. Yeah, guys, that's it. Peace. Swing catch.